This looks so nice. Such a dream garage right here. Alright, we are off. All the Z's are ready. All the DSMs are ready. Let's get it. So we got to his house. Now we're gonna go to a lot where he's supposed to have 50 Datsuns. So, and a couple of these Z's. Let's see where we can go. Woo! That's the guy we're swapping cars with. He'll test drive the car, see if he wants to trade. Guys, we just got here and I believe we hit the jackpot. Check this out. Dang. Look at those Z's.
Yep, it's starting to, it needs to go to a good home. It's getting not in good shape anymore. Sad. I kept this thing in the garage for a good 10, oh Jesus, like 10 years, man. Fuck. Oh man. I'm going plug. Yeah.
Where's the door handles? There's no door handles.
I don't know how to open it. Oh man.
Nice paint job though. Flakes.
Like this. Yeah, he's got the keys and shit
Bunch
too.
of flakes.
Really? So we can't? I drove up here for nothing? Fuck.
Let's see.
Oh.
Another one.
This guy's broken off on all the wheels. Oh my god.
Dang. Whoa.
I mean, like literally frame off restoration.
Okay, this is probably the cleanest one I've seen so far. Chase big bumper.
It has purple in the paint if you look really, really deeply.
Look, it's so nice.
No, he did frame off restoration. I have all the pictures for it.
Yeah?
Yep.
Chase pick.
Everything, dude.
Dang, so clean. Hard to see, but
This is what I. Yes, dude. Rainy day mod.
this is so nice.
Probably had a carbon fiber.
Another TT.
But look, there's holes for that style.
Oh, look at the steering wheel. It's pretty dope. Dang, seriously hit a jackpot today. Woo! This thing's sick. And just look at these beauties. This thing is dope too.
You have the rims that were in the pit? Yeah. Alright, well let's get going.
Yeah. That thing's sick.
I like this. This is nice.
So dope.
Yeah, I think I'm actually gonna come pull it out of here.
So much, there's no oil in it at all. Like
Guess we might not be trading today. Sucks. He can't get the keys, so he can't open the car, so I guess we'll have to figure it out.
This is nice.
Look at this.
I want the Datsun so bad.
I know, so dope. I mean, who wouldn't want this? So we just got to the second location. So far I see a sick looking white Z and another one right over there. Look at that.
Dude, this is fucking garbage. No oil in the motor, nothing.
Mildew everywhere, like what the heck?
Dang.
I guess my question
Gonna
is,
check this
we
out.
got a call, we can just put
Don't know how Craigslist works, you know?
okay.
Help yourself and out there.
I'll tell you that. That was funny.
I told you, didn't know it was a Z.
That one's got the turbos in it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Aftermarket turbos?
Yeah,
Turbo, 4-wheel steering.
Yeah. It's
How do you put the steering on?
No,
it's twin turbo. It comes stock with them.
So different was a stock twin turbo.
Yep.
You change the battery, you're taking out the relay. You know? That's pretty sweet. So that one's been out and been all worked through, huh?
Super clean too. All stock. 5-speed twin turbo. Very clean. White fairlady. Looks good. Billy. Yeah, I think I know exactly where this is.
If I keep doing that, it goes hard.
So we got to another place where Billy's checking out this other Z.
It's too difficult, no space, and she told me don't want the
Okay,
car.
let's go check it out. It's supposedly TT shell that's in good condition.
I think it's only five.
Yeah.
In bad shape.
Z3 for the day of looking.
Yeah, basically.
Can you pop the hook for me? I thought he was right there. Everything's still there.
So we just got home. I guess Billy couldn't get any Z today, but he's gonna go tomorrow, probably get a trailer, and believe he's gonna buy 2 of them. But yeah, it's on for tomorrow, but today was a good day, I guess. Gonna be working on this Evo, change the clutch on it, and yeah, gonna be working on this all week. Gonna get coilovers and other little parts, so that's gonna be a different clip. But I guess today was a successful day somewhat. Have a good one.